Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 64 of the NEET quiz important questions, and today we'll discuss the questions of the topic ureter. So first try to answer the questions by yourself. What is length of the ureter? So it is about 25 inches. Describe the pelvis part of the ureter. So it is formed within the renal sinus and it is formed by union of the major calyces. It continues as abdominal part at the lower pole of the kidney. What is the capacity of the pelvis of the ureter? So about 5 to 7 ml. Which structures are in the posterior relations of the abdominal part of the ureter? So these are tip of transverse processes of all the lumbar vertebra, psoas major muscle and the genitofemoral nerve. Which structures comes in the anterior relations of the right ureter? So these are red gonadal vessels, second part of duodenum, third part of duodenum, red colic artery, ileocolic artery, root of mesentery and the terminal part of the ileum. Which structures comes in the anterior relations of the left ureter? So these are left colic artery, sigmoid mesocolon and the left gonadal vessels. Pelvic part of the ureter in the females forms which boundary of the ovarian fossa? So it forms the posterior boundary of the ovarian fossa. First part or the vertical part of the ureter is laterally related to which structure? Obturator nerve and vessels, inferior vesical artery and the middle rectal artery. First part or the vertical part of the ureter is posteriorly related to which structures? To the sacroiliac joint, lumbosacral trunk and the internal iliac vessels. Obliterated umbilical artery is located where? To the vertical part of the ureter? Lateral. Pelviuretic junction corresponds with which pole of the kidney? With the lower pole of the kidney. Muscle of bell is derived from inner longitudinal muscle of the ureter. Mucous membrane of the ureter is thrown into how many vertical folds? It is thrown into 6 vertical folds. Mucous membrane of the ureter is lined by which epithelium? By the transitional epithelium. Lymphatic drainage of the upper 1/3 of the ureter is para-aortic lymph nodes. Lymphatic drainage of the middle 1/3 of the ureter is common iliac group of lymph nodes. Lymphatic drainage of the lower 1/3 of the ureter is internal and the external iliac lymph nodes. Now what are the locations of the ureteric constrictions? Very important question. So at 3 main points there is constriction of the ureter. So first is at the uretero-pelvic junction, second at the crossing of the external or the common iliac artery, and third at the site of the entrance to the bladder, that means at the uretero-vesical junction, which is the narrowest part. So today up till here we will discuss about the further important notes and questions of the further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.